Hello, welcome to my page, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. In this video I want to teach you how to make your plantain fufu in the microwave. Yes, you heard me right, plantain fufu. And we are using green plantain, unripe plantain. You peel the skin of the plantain and slice it very tiny like this. Before peeling the plantain, you have to first of all wash it. I washed it, then after peeling, I slice it like this. You can see I'm still rinsing it. Then after rinsing it, just pour it in your blender. Okay. Please like this video and share. If you have not subscribed to my channel on YouTube, subscribe to my channel, Tonia Light TV 2. Follow me on TikTok, Truth Life Story. Follow me on Facebook, Tonia Light AE. I added little water to the blender to blend it, but that water was not enough. You don't have to pour too much of water. You have to put water bit by bit. So that was what I was doing here. When I saw that my blender could not blend it, I said, okay, let me add little water. Let us know where you are watching from at the comment section. If you have not shared my video before, please help me share this video. Like this video. God bless you. Make sure you don't pour too much of water, because we don't want it too waterish. And we don't also want it too thick. Right now, my blender is happy. You can see that it's blending it perfectly. Have you liked my video? So after blending it, you transfer it to a bowl. Make sure the bowl you are using is made for microwave. This very one is to cook or warm something in the microwave. So I will just put it in the microwave and put it in number 7. Remember, I used 2 unripe plantain. This is it after 7 minutes. Look at that. Did you see that? Very smooth, not too light, not too thick. So if you are eating this very one, you know exactly what you are eating. You know that you are eating unripe plantain without adding any preservative or adding any other thing. This is the reason I like preparing my plantain fufu by myself. You can see that there is no any trace of lump. Very smooth. Are you going to give it a try? Let me know at the comment section. Have you been preparing your plantain fufu this way in the microwave? You know, when you use pots, a lot will follow the pots, especially if your pot is not non-stick pan. It will stick to the pot, but like this, nothing is wasted. So if you have not watched this delicious oilless okra soup, I have it on my channel. You can go and check it out. Do you see that? Very smooth. Oh my God. So yummy. If you have not watched this okra soup, go and watch it. It's not every time you cook soup you use oil. Oil is not too good in the body. There are times you cook without oil. So try this recipe out, how to cook your okra soup without adding any single oil, and it was nice. Remember, okra is vegetable, so mind the way you pour oil in your vegetable when you are cooking. Thanks for watching this video. Please like. Bye bye.